Hello, welcome to Vibe Trading. This is December the 26th, 2019. So let's quickly dive into the stock market so we can have that technical analysis and see what the market has done. From the look of things, this is a buyer's market. This is a bull market. Actually, if we've looked at the SPY, we can see that the SPY has been really acting in a very in a way that we really expect this SPY to act. So what happened is, if we look at this chart closely, we can see that from our 1 year chart, we can see that it's been making some higher high. It's doing higher high and higher low. It has a little bit of consolidation here, and the short seller came into the market thinking they're going to take control of the market. But this market, it's a bull market. It's a bull trend we're seeing right here. When we look at it from this angle, we can see right here, we can see the movement is making. This is just a bull trend. I mean, if we look at it, if we draw our trend line from here, when we draw our trend line, we can see that this from over here, we can see that this is just a bull market. And I don't think there is anything that will stop this trend from stopping. So now let's quickly narrow down and see what opportunity this stock has, what it has performed today. If we look at our 1 minute chart here, we can see that the SPY opened in this area this morning, and we gain almost close to around $2 from the trade today. So that's a really good trade to take. So that being said, let's quickly look at a very good stock. A very good stock I'm holding in my portfolio. Let's look at Twitter and see what Twitter is doing. Twitter presents us with opportunity right here if we look really closely. And I will tell you, when I tell people that the stock market move in 4 stages, we have the consolidation stage. That's the stage 1 where the stock market is consolidating. And the second stage, that's the uptrend, where it's gonna move to the next level. That's the uptrend. And the third stage is distribution. It's gonna distribute out the stock. People who got in the first stage, they're gonna start distributing out the stock. And the fourth stage is the decline. So let me show you Twitter. I got in Twitter. I got in stage 1. I got in somewhere here. This is where we got in. We took our first position here. So we held, when we bought it here, we held it. It broke our moving average. That's this green line. When it broke it, and if you can see, this is a resistance level right here. That's a good signal that we are in stage 2 right now, and we are heading to stage 3. Stage 3 will be our target. It will be this level where I'm pointing right now. That's where the stage 3 will be, and that's where our target is. That's where we're gonna start taking profit, and it's gonna repeat the cycle because I don't see it breaking to the next level. I see it's when you get to that level, it's gonna come back to stage 4 to repeat the cycle. So Twitter presents us with a whole lot of opportunity. I think this is a very great stock. I've already looked at the fundamentals. The fundamentals look so good. I mean, the PE ratio. The PE ratio is 15. So when you look at it, it's a great company, but they're not paying no dividend. That's the only bad thing. Based on what I'm seeing right here, they're not paying dividend. So this is just a short play. We're playing it, hoping we're playing it based on the analysis that it's gonna go back to where it's been. I've always said is the stock market has a memory. It's always gonna go to where it's been before. that's just the way the stock works. It's gonna go to where it's been before. It's been to this level before, and that's where it's trying to go to. So as a smart investor or trader, you want to buy it at the extreme low end. And when we got in at this level. So we're just riding the wave. If you look at our RSI at this moment, our RSI is approaching the 70 area. So that's, this market is a little bit as overextended. Basically, it just tells us how fast, the RSI tells us how fast and how quick the stock price has moved in the last couple of days. So from what I'm seeing here, it's moved so fast, so quick. We're gonna expect some pullback before it continue with that movement. I do hope you like this analysis, and if you do, please go ahead and click the like button so that we can keep on putting more content, and just knowing that people like what we do. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.